Welcome to today's explainer. So today we're looking at a piece of source text that is, well, it's incredibly brief. We're talking literally a single line here. But man, it completely captures the central tension of our modern economy. It's just this stark, super simple prompt, really just a handful of words. But what we're going to do is completely deconstruct this exact excerpt, figure out its framing, and really dig into the massive scope of the shift it represents. So let's get right into it. Right off the bat, notice that isolated number 12 followed by a period. Now, what's really interesting about this is what that numbering implies structurally about our source material. I mean, this isn't just some random standalone thought that popped out of nowhere. No, it's explicitly part of a sequence. Think of it like an index or a structured list. And that one tiny little detail, it tells us there were 11 preceding items, 11 other concepts, arguments, or major technological challenges building up to this exact point. It frames our whole topic today not as some isolated incident, but really as a compounding factor in a much, much larger developing narrative. We are arriving at item 12, a culmination that absolutely demands our attention. Okay, let's dive into this. The absolute beating heart of the text. Look at the balance going on here. On one side, we have AI jobs, on the other side, human jobs. And the thing connecting them is that tiny, highly charged little word, versus. Versus. This brilliantly illustrates a direct, totally unyielding confrontation. I mean, it doesn't say AI and human jobs, right? Because that would imply this harmonious collaboration, a peaceful, easy merger of talents. But by using versus, it deliberately sets up a contrast. It's a competition. It highlights this profound tension in the labor market. Actually, I want you to take a quick second and just actively mirror this clash against your own daily tasks and skills. Think about it. Are the things you do sitting comfortably on the human side of this equation, or are they slowly, kind of inevitably, sliding over to the AI side? It's a fascinating, and let's be totally honest here, a slightly uncomfortable juxtaposition that the source material literally forces us to confront head-on. Moving on to the second half of our source text, let's see how it builds on all that tension. The text just simply asks, what happens next? So the crucial point is the looming uncertainty introduced right here at the climax of the prompt. The source deliberately doesn't give us a definitive answer. It doesn't offer some soothing prediction to calm our nerves. And on the flip side, it doesn't give us some catastrophic warning of doom either. Instead, it maintains total neutrality by simply asking the ultimate open-ended question. It basically leaves us standing at the very edge of this technological frontier, just staring out into a complete, vast unknown. The trajectory of human labor and this rapid, wild ascent of artificial intelligence, they've brought us exactly to this precipice. And the text just brilliantly captures that suspenseful lack of resolution. And that brings us right back to the complete excerpt, exactly as it was written in our source material. 12. AI jobs versus human jobs. What happens next? We've broken down all its individual components, but seeing it put back together like this, it acts as this incredibly powerful mirror, reflecting our own societal anxieties and, at the exact same time, our greatest innovations. It's quite literally a cliffhanger written into the very fabric of our modern economy. I mean, the source material just stops here. It leaves the rest of the page completely blank for whatever comes after that question mark. It is the ultimate cliffhanger. So I'm going to leave you with this final provocative thought. As this grand, entirely unwritten future of the workforce unfolds, who is actually going to get to decide the answer to that question? Is it going to be us, or is it going to be the very technology we created to serve us? Thank you so much for joining me in this explainer. Keep learning, keep analyzing, and for sure, keep questioning what comes next.